At Firehouse Subs, a portion of
What's up, y'all? Just have my yard sale amp here. Sundown. It's my first full bridge amp. SIA 3500. Never planned to go full bridge, but Sundown will make you do stuff, you know. It's a tab here. This comes with a disclaimer. Non-DOA, so you have 24 hours to test it out, which I will be doing on my bench. Bass remote. It's a little sketchy. It's not their fault. Plastic tab might break back on us. I've seen it happen a million times. It's just the jack plastic. So, let's see if I get lucky here. Slow bend. Looks like I'm good. Excellent. Got lucky on that one, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's see what we got in the box. Does have the knob. Nice little knob. I have to remember which side was broken, that way I can stick it into this side. I don't know yet. Does have the hardware, including 2 screws for mounting the bass knob. It's the amplifier. It feels actually very nice. It's heavier than I thought, but I think it's just 'cause it's so small. I mean, it looks cosmetically perfect. I don't see any scarring on these bars either, or any tool marks. So I hesitate to say this was even used. It doesn't seem like the screws have even been raised up out of their position from factory placement. As well as on the outputs. I don't know if they put new screws in there every time, but usually when people juice stuff up, they'll scar the terminals a little bit, and I don't see any scarring. It also does not appear that the back plate has been removed. It says quality control pass. All right. Well, that's it. My first full bridge amp, so I'll hook it up today, get it tested, and I'll go record it, see how it does. Nice.